Have you seen Bora Bora Island? If not, this is going to be the most beautiful video of your life, because the Bora Bora Island is one of the most beautiful islands in the world. Keep watching until the end of the video to see the world's most beautiful island. Bora Bora Island will make you feel love at first sight, with ocean views of turquoise waters resembling an artist's palette of bright blues and greens. Romantics from around the world appreciate Bora Bora's lush, tropical vegetation circling the perimeter of the island, and the valleys of Mount Otmanu blossom with hibiscus. The Bora Bora Island is one of the most popular islands in the islands of Tahiti, one of 9 islands within the Society Islands. Bora Bora was formed over 7 million years ago by a volcano. Like most of the islands of French Polynesia, Bora Bora is surrounded by a ring of coral reef, also known as an atoll. This South Pacific island could easily be defined as the center of the romantic universe, where luxury, beach resorts, and spas dot the island with overwater bungalows, thatched roof villas, and a fabled ambience. Simply put, Bora Bora is one of the most beautiful islands in the world. Bora Bora Vacations. Known for gorgeous luxury resorts and numerous adventurous activities, a Bora Bora vacation has something for everyone. Whether you like getting your adrenaline pumping or prefer a relaxing day at the beach, the Bora Bora things to do options are endless. The Madu, or small island, is known for its Bora Bora's white sand beaches lined with coconut trees. The clear turquoise waters of the South Pacific Ocean and the surrounding coral reef make for some memorable scuba diving day. Tropical colored fish and giant manta rays gliding leisurely through animate the coral garden. The tallest point on the island is the breathtaking Mount Otmanu at Bora Bora's center, perfect for those looking to explore beyond the sandy beaches. It's easy to understand why this tiny 12-square-mile island is revered as one of the most intimate and idyllic vacation destinations. Bora Bora Bungalow Paradise, a peaceful haven sitting directly over the lagoon. The overwater Bora Bora Bungalow concept is a can't-miss element of Bora Bora and the islands of Tahiti. From private island rooms to suites of floating villas, lose yourself in the colors of the lagoon framed by unforgettable sunset. Find an overwater bungalow with a private balcony for sipping your morning coffee with a stunning sunrise or your evening cocktail with a dazzling sunset. Jump into the turquoise waters from your private deck, or kayak to breakfast from your home away from home hut. Perfect for couples on romantic getaways and Bora Bora honeymoons. These secluded accommodations come in all shapes and sizes for any guest. These bungalows were designed and built in traditional Tahitian style to offer direct access to the lagoon and are the perfect relaxing getaway and the ultimate island stay experience. Matira Beach on Bora Bora. Watch the vibrant sunset over a deep blue horizon while you relax on the warm white sand of Matira Beach on Bora Bora, one of the most popular yet secluded public beaches on the island. Follow the beach until Matira Point to see an otherworldly view of rolling green bluffs and tropical plants. An excellent place to swim, Matira Beach boasts warm, shallow waters that are perfect for a leisurely day of snorkeling. Don't miss a carefree experience where time stands still along the azure Matira Beach shoreline during your Bora Bora vacation. Where is Bora Bora located? Bora Bora is located on a dormant volcano island, set on one of the world's most beautiful and crystal-clear lagoons, colored in a million shades of blue. Bora Bora is located a brief 50-minute flight from the islands of Tahiti or Maria. Every 50 minutes, flights to Bora Bora from Papi and Maria are available through Air Tahiti for those looking to island hop. I think this video will be very useful for you and you will get all the knowledge about Bora Bora. If yes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. One of your subscriptions will motivate us to make more videos and ensure that you don't miss anything. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, and tell us what you think.